See these regular-sized guys walking out. Look at the size of those midgets. Thanks, Ted. I think they ripped this off. What do you think? They range from 5'8" to 6'2", the world's largest midgets. I can't believe this. Bunch of guys walking around. They're just making it up, you know, one bad act after another. The talking mute. Hi! What the hell is that? Mute. Oh, come on. This sucks. Sit for this horrible circus. What else do they have? The world's first stripeless zebra. It's a horse. It's a stinking horse then. It's brown. It's called a horse. Damn it. What a horrible circus. We're walking out. There's like dead acrobats flung everywhere. It was their fault. There were volunteers from the audience. Trapeze. My town, we were so cheap. My town, they had a volunteer fire department. Because when it comes to a fire, you don't want professionals. You want a bunch of guys showing up in a school bus, smoking cigarettes,